Welcome back, fellow costume enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly incredible in store for you.
If you've ever dreamt of channeling your inner fashionista and strutting your stuff as the iconic Edna mode from Disney's Incredibles 2, then you're in for a treat. Introducing the one and only, Disguise Incredibles 2 Deluxe Women's Edna Costume. Zooms in, this is not just any costume, folks. It's the creme de la creme, the pièce de résistance, the absolute best Edna costume available in the market today. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this costume features Edna's signature style in every stitch. Made from a high-quality blend of 80% polyester and 20% polyurethane, it's not only stylish but also durable.
And let's talk about that wig and those glasses.
Excitedly, they're the perfect finishing touches to complete your transformation into the fabulous Edna mode. Trust me, darlings, once you've put them on, you'll feel like you're ready to take on the fashion world. Whether you're attending a costume party, cosplay event, or simply want to add some pizzazz to your everyday life, this costume has got you covered. Embrace your inner fashion diva and let your creativity shine. But don't just take my word for it. With over 182 ratings and a solid 3.8-star average, it's clear that customers are loving this costume. And hey, who can blame them?
And here's the cherry on top, folks.
This costume is officially licensed by Disney, Pixar, so you know you're getting the real deal. No knockoffs here, only authentic Edna mode goodness brought to you by Disguise, a leader in the Halloween industry. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the spotlight and unleash your inner Edna with the Disguise Incredibles 2 Deluxe Women's Edna Costume. Trust me, darlings, you won't regret it. That's a wrap for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.